The magnificent Giga Mall in 𝗕ci Islamabad Phase 2 has for over a decade served as an ideal destination for shopping, dining and leisure for the people of the Twin Cities. Giga Mall is already a known destination with a captive market. The appeal of Giga Mall is compounded as it is the home of the World Trade Center in Islamabad, Pakistan. This landmark commercial legend was conceptualized, designed and built to serve one purpose: commerce and trade. Giga Mall has served to enhance, grow and facilitate commercial enterprise, and now offers a never-before investment opportunity, multifaceted offices at Giga Business Complex. Giga Business Complex occupies the top 4 levels of the Giga Mall and has world-class facilities and amenities. Giga Business Complex is at the crossroads of the new Silk Route, the new Islamabad Highway. Giga Business Complex is offering 21st century offices to work and develop businesses that focus on providing professional information technology and any other service-related business. This is a platinum opportunity to partake in an established brand such as the World Trade Center that not only ensures spectacular returns on your investment, but is also a safe and assured business investment opportunity. You can use this prestigious address for yourself or as a startup for your next generation, or simply rent and reap long-term rewards on your investment. The complete facilities and amenities within this multifaceted office complex will encourage productivity and entrepreneurship within the twin cities of Islamabad and 𝗕𝗏𝗃𝗃. This will be a platinum opportunity for investors, startups, small, medium and large enterprises to have an office at a prestigious address as the World Trade Center. These offices at the World Trade Center have leisure and relaxation amenities on par with some of the largest tech companies of the world like Apple and Google. Each floor has dedicated kitchens, dining and washrooms, luxurious lounges, terraces and snooker rooms for you or your team to take much-needed breaks from stressful workloads. Have a meal, play a game of snooker, pray in the mosque, or just have a coffee and get back to work. At the end of office hours, work out at the gym or enjoy a sauna, steam and jacuzzi available on every floor. Take a shower, order clothes from the express laundry and head home refreshed and rejuvenated. You can also shop, dine and entertain with family and friends at the mall itself, saving on unnecessary commute times. The offices at the Giga Business Complex are available on level 5, 6, 7 and 8, offering different sizes of offices to suit the financial needs of all types of investors, from individuals to large multinationals who can buy multiple offices to suit their needs. These multifaceted offices come with unhindered views of Islamabad and are equipped with all modern facilities, including parking, elevators, firefighting, 24-hour security and air conditioning. Individual offices come in sizes from 360 square feet to large ones over 1,000 square feet. These offices are highly cost-effective, starting from 5 million Pakistani rupees with an easy payment plan. The best part of your investment is delivery. These offices will be ready for delivery in 20 months. Partake now in this platinum opportunity to tap into an existing profit-making business entity. Giga Business Complex offices ensure all levels of businessmen a destination to profit and prosper and reap rewards and achieve commercial success. The area around the mall is now a commercial and residential landmark which is being constantly enhanced by adding new facilities and amenities. Under construction, commercial and residential projects of Giga Group are being built at a record pace. Giga Business Complex is brought to you by Giga Group, which has already built a number of projects in Islamabad and worldwide. It has delivered over 18 million square feet of real estate worldwide, out of which 10 million square feet has been delivered in Islamabad. Giga Business Complex is brought to you by Giga Group for platinum returns on your investment.